All right, here's an exciting thing. We're going to change this. We're going up to line 8, where it's for j equals 1 to I. But we're going to say we're going to do for j equals 1 to I with a multiplication sign 5. Remember, we are the programmer. We are in charge. So I type in run, and I say, I'm David. How many times do I want to print? I'm going to say 10. But it actually is going to print it 50 times. Because I told it to multiply I by 5. Remember, we are the programmer. We are in charge. I type in run and I say David, and I say 200. It's really going to do it 1,000 times. Woo. And how can we check that? Well, right now, if I type in print j, it's going to be, it's actually 1,001. Oh, I guess because I said 1 to whatever. I should have put in 0 to I times 5. And then, if I type that in, and I type in, David, 200, it will now print David 1,000 times, which it did before, but now the count will be right at the end when I say print j 1,001. Interesting. Why is that? A mystery. Yeah. Interesting. All right. Well, that's it for now. I will ponder. Why did that say 1,001? Maybe because after it goes through, it's got one more. I'll think about that. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.